Yo, here's a rundown of how I made this 3D interactive header for a website. I'm using React 3 Fiber and a physics library called Rapier, which needs a better name. Anyway, we're going to start off with a sphere and we're going to make an array of 15 of them. It's going to be easier to turn that sphere into its own function. That way we can make it a rigid body by just wrapping the mesh and giving it some settings. I'm going to set some like pseudo-random positions, and on every frame we're going to calculate some, forces. For all this to work, we're going to need to wrap everything in a physics tag, but it all falls down because, physics. To stop this from happening, we just need to piss around with gravity like we're in Interstellar or something and just set it to 0. Cool, job done. Now we're going to need something to smash into it. I'm creating a function called pointer. It's going to be a ball collider and we need to wrap it in a rigid body as well. We've got to set this rigid body to be a collider, and inside a use frame hook we're going to pin that collider to the mouse position. Job done. Now we can just swap the spheres out for any kind of geometry that we want. Now I've got to admit I can't take credit for this code. This is all just an example on the React 3 Fiber website, so if you want to go more in depth then check out this.